been said that no bond is stronger than family, but I would beg to differ thanks to the Smith's Interconnect KA series of connectors, providing engineers with unmatched reliability, ruggedness, and ability to operate in extreme environments. And you can't say that about a family road trip. The KA series of connectors are MIL-DTL-55302 compliant, which makes them ideal for numerous applications including aerospace, military, and commercial, while the through-hole design makes these parts exceptionally tough when soldered to a PCB. The use of hypertack hyperboloid connectors not only reduces the force needed to form connections, but the hyperbolic wire cage ensures 360 degrees of connection. As such, each connector contact can withstand up to 9 amps of current, has a minimum mechanical life expectancy of 100,000 operations, and an operating temperature range of -55 to 125 degrees Celsius. And finally, the connectors come in numerous combinations, including right angle, straight crimp, solder cup, and wire wrap terminations.